I'm going to show you how to remove the keyboard. I mean, how to remove the rivet of the keyboard with my tool. Everyone knows how to do these things with a plier, with a cutter, with other tools, but I think this is the best choice you can have it so far, as it will make your life a lot easier. In the time you spend take all those rivets, you break the head, you couldn't put the screws in there. So basically this tool is like one of the best inventions for this kind of job. So I'm going to walk you through the processing to do it, as I did have some few requests and to show how the tool works. And bear in mind, I just filming with my iPhone and a really precarious light, so it's not the best. However, I try to show you what to do. A few more screws to take it off. And we're done for now. And once you remove the rivet, you will have space to replace. I do like to have all my screws held by a little magnet, so less chance to get lost. Okay. 1, 2, and 3 to go. Okay. Now it's the tricky part. Removing the keys. Basically, I open the machine, I hang the screen. If I make any pressure on the keyboard, it won't damage apart from the keyboard. So just pull this one. On the MacBook Air, coming much easier than the Mac Pro. However, still make sure you disconnect the keyboard before pulling. Like I said, you don't want to damage something else. You're fixing something and then you're breaking something else. So take all the precautions before opening it, before doing everything else. Okay, keyboard is off. Let's go on the bin. Don't need it anymore. Now is the part where everyone asks me to see this stuff. Okay, this is the tool. Basically what it does, it grabs the rivet. Try to focus a little bit more. Grab the rivet. And you pull it off. That's it. It's a little bit too cushiony, this one. Need a firm surface. Okay. We have another one here. Okay. Very easy. Put the tool, move it a little bit, and it's coming off. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to do like a little bit fast because I need to finish this job soon. 2, 3, 4, move it so you can see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let me see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm almost done. All the one right here. Okay. I think we are all done. See. All gone. Less than 10 minutes start to finish. I mean, since I start to taking the actual keyboard. The actual taking the rivets take less than 2 to 3 minutes. When you get used to and not talking to the camera, you can do it in 2 minutes. Very quick, very easy. And not even a single rivet got stuck in here. All are gone completely. Single got broken. So we have 100% success. I say 98% just in case, just to be on the safe side. But I reckon it's 100%. Okay, if you got any inquiries, I'm happy to answer. Also, you can buy this tool from me. Remember, I'm the inventor of this tool, so no one else will have it. Thank you. Bye.